How to add tags in YouTube Studio app mobile SEO guide. So hello guys, in this quick tutorial video I will tell you how you guys can add tags to your video in YouTube Studio. So for that you guys simply go to IT Studio app in your Android phone or mobile. Once we click here you guys will wait for some seconds. Now here you guys can see on downside dashboard, content, analytics, community and earn. Simply click on content. Now you guys will simply select the video that you want to add tags. For example, I want to add tags to that video, so I'll simply select the video. Once we select it, here you guys can see that type of interface. On top right corner you guys can see pencil, share option, YouTube button icon. Simply click on that pencil. Once we click here you guys will see that type of interface. Like on top right corner save option, on down you guys will see public. No, it's not made for kids, or like it can be audience. Also you guys will see show more, so simply click on show more. Now scroll. Once you scroll till end, here you guys can see on downside alter content, category, tags, listening, embedding. So simply click here. Once we click here you guys can see category, tags. So in tag section you guys will see only 8 tags. I have already added tags, so simply I will click on 8 tags. Now here you guys can type the tag. For example, YouTube is tag. Now once you type it, here you guys can see on down side keyboard arrow option, like another line option or button. So simply click here, and once you click here, that's it. That word will be converted as a keyword or tag. So you guys can add multiple tags like that. Thanks for watching.